According to the sources, the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addressed the Indian diaspora at an event organized in his honor by the Indian community in Abuja, Nigeria today. The Prime Minister expressed happiness over the grand welcome he received with special warmth and exuberance by the Indian community. He said that the love and friendship received from the community was a huge capital to him. Informing the gathering that it was his first visit as a Prime Minister to Nigeria. Shri Modi said that he had got with him the best wishes of crores of Indians to them. He added that every Indian felt proud about the progress of the Indians in Nigeria. Expressing gratitude to President Tinubu and the people of Nigeria for conferring the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger Award on him, Shri Modi, with all humility, dedicated the award to crores of Indians. The Prime Minister highlighted that during his talks with President Tinubu, the latter praised the efforts of Indians in Nigeria, which made him feel proud. Citing an analogy, Shri Modi said that he felt happy and proud in the same way his parents feel when their children excel in their careers. The Prime Minister underlined that the Indian diaspora here has always been with Nigeria through its thick and thin. He added that there were many Indians in Nigeria in the age group of 40 to 60 years who had been once taught by an Indian teacher. Shri Modi also noted that there were many Indian doctors who were serving selflessly in Nigeria.